If you write code for a living, or you're learning how to code right now, the industry you prepared for no longer exists. We've officially moved past the era of simple AI autocomplete. In 2026, autonomous agentic frameworks, multi-file code execution, and AI terminal agents like Claude Code, Devin, and Cursor are writing, testing, and deploying full features in minutes. Do not get mistaken, this is not about replacing programmers, it's about replacing how programmers actually work and operate. Today, I'm giving you the exact 2026 developer survival roadmap, the 4 critical skills that will make you completely irreplaceable, and the 3 legacy habits that will get you replaced if you do not drop them today. Let's get into it. First, we have to talk about what died this year, syntax-only coding. For 15 years, a software engineer's market value was tied to memorizing language syntax, framework boilerplate, and writing manual CRUD operations. Today, an AI agent can generate an entire REST API with input validation, ORM schemes, and Docker config before you even finish setting up your local environment. If your primary skill is translating plain English requirements into syntax line by line, you are competing directly with a machine that does it 1,000 times faster for a fraction of a cent. The role of the software developer has officially shifted from writer to system architect and code reviewer. You are no longer the bricklayer placing every single brick by hand. You are the lead civil engineer directing the machinery. That brings us to skill number 1, agent orchestration. Instead of typing out code, top-tier developers in 2026 write high-precision acceptance criteria. You need to master tools like Cursor, Claude Code, and Model Context Protocol, aka MCP. The skill isn't asking AI to build a login page. It's instructing an agent to check existing authentication middleware, verify database schema migrations, implement feature flags, and write unit tests for edge cases, all without modifying unrelated files. Like existing authentication middleware, verify database schema migrations, implement feature flags, and write unit tests for edge cases, all without modifying unrelated files. Number 2, system architecture and data modeling. AI models excel at localized logic, but they struggle with macroscopic long-term system state. Knowing how to design scalable database schemas, manage API contracts, handle microservice boundary conditions, and secure data is where human expertise reigns supreme. The AI builds the components, but you design the engine. If this breakdown is giving you a clear edge in your career, hit that like button right now. It helps push real engineering playbooks over clickbait. You can also subscribe to the Takeoff College in order to stay ahead of the curve. And drop a comment below. Are you using AI agents in your daily workflow yet, or still relying on basic autocomplete? Let's hit skill number 3. Skill number 3, adversarial code auditing and security. The biggest risk in 2026 isn't that AI generates bad syntax. It's that it generates plausible looking code with hidden flaws. Out-of-scope file edits, weak permission boundaries, unreviewed database migrations, and hidden API token costs are everywhere in AI outputs. The developers earning top income today are the ones who can read a 500-line AI pull request, instantly spot security vulnerabilities, catch edge case logic failures, and verify performance regressions before the code hits production. Skill number 4, deep domain expertise. AI knows generic coding rules but does not understand your business. A developer who understands healthcare compliance rules, fintech transaction latency, or real-time game loops can leverage AI to build specialized products 10x faster than traditional dev shops. Also that in order to thrive in 2026, you must eliminate these 3 legacy habits immediately. Number 1, blind copy pasting. Never merge code you cannot understand line by line. If you can't debug it manually when the AI breaks, you don't own the code, it owns you. Number 2, ignoring tests. Because AI writes code at warp speed, unit and integration tests are no longer optional. They are your guardrails to keep AI agents from introducing silent regressions across your repo. Number 3, resisting terminal AI tools. If you are still only using chat windows in your browser in order to ask for code snippets, you are missing out. Command line agents and repository-aware IDEs are the bare minimum baseline in today's world. Here is the bottom line for 2026. AI will not replace software engineers. But software engineers who master AI orchestration will replace those who don't. The scope of what a single builder can ship was never larger. You can now design, build, and deploy entire platforms solo in a weekend, just if you know how to wield these tools correctly. Every resource and roadmap guide mentioned is linked in the description below. Now, if you want to see how to take these exact agentic tools and put them head-to-head in a real coding benchmark, click right here on our complete cursor versus Windsurf IDE breakdown. I'll see you over there, and peace.